So today I'm going to talk you through the best cut flowers that I like to use for autumn displays. So these can be used just around the house or as gifts for friends and family. For autumn, obviously a lot of the rusty oranges and yellows tend to come in for displays, but you can use a mixture of loads of different things that are nice to cut in autumn. I like to use sunflowers. Obviously they're a really nice lovely yellow flower. There are chrysanthemums as well, which come in loads of different colours from white through yellow, orange, red. You can use Japanese anemones as well, which are really nice and prolific as well, so you don't have to worry about cutting them too much because they'll always put more flower on. And then you can use things like lavender as well if you wanted, because they can flower through to the autumn. There's quite a few things that you can go at when choosing things for your autumn displays. And then obviously one of the summer favourites for I think a lot of people would be dahlias. So these can flower as long as you keep cutting them all the way through summer through to autumn. So for your autumn displays you can use rusty, pom-pom, orangey dahlias or cactus dahlias. Any dahlias you like in autumnal colours will look lovely in your autumn displays.